Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I would like to show you another new feature in the Canva. This thing is also available from the latest greatest Canva update. This one is called Select Area for Photo Editing. Now with this tool we can select an area like just a point or an item in the image, or we can use a brush for selecting a wider area what we would like to editing, or just a foreground or background. With this feature we can create easier eye-catching images for social media or advertisement or YouTube thumbnail, and it's a really amazing tool for photo editing. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So, as I mentioned, we can select the items in the image. So this is how does it works. We have to select the image and go into this edit, and here in the top we can see select area. We have all, click, brush, foreground and background. So start with the background. If I click on the background, you can see the background is selected. So if we are going to the adjust, we can adjusting just the background, and the images which is not in the background are not affected. If I click on the foreground, you can see all the items which is in the foreground are selected. So if I'm doing the same here, we can select the adjust the temperature, the tint, brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, blacks, vibrance, saturation, even if the color is selected or edit in an image, or just sharpness, clarity or vignette of the texture. This one also a really nice tool, but if you click on the brush, this one is when the funny part starts. We can select the size of the brush, like just randomly selecting some area, not so nicely. And here, as you can see, reducing the brightness, add some contrast, highlights, increase in the shadow, decrease the white, increase the black. That's a very funny tool. And if I click on going to the click, the AI selecting the items for us, which is clickable as per the AI. So here the mug, the laptop and the flower with the pot, but unfortunately, for example, the pen is not. I don't know why. The pen is not selectable, but so in this case I just click on the mug. Also adjusting, just play with the adjustments, bright, contrast, highlight, give some shadow, decrease the white, increase the black, add some vibrance, like this, just for fun. We can play with it, and we just coming back to here, and now you can see this is the image what we are created. And this, with the funny thing, like with this brush, we can even draw something like even into like in this case to this wall easily, or we can select some part in the one item, like even in the laptop, to modify some part, which is also a funny thing, I think. So it's a pretty easy, straightforward tool for adjusting our photo editing skills, and we can create as I already mentioned, really eye-catching images very easily with this feature also. It's really helping us to adjust some small portion of the image or even the whole background or a whole foreground. I really like it, and hope so also you will like it as me like this feature. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like this tutorial also. And if you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section which one is important for me to feeding the algorithm. Plus, if you have any question, I try to answer it as soon as possible. Please visit also my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description where you can find another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image prompts for image generation for different kind of AI applications. So if you are also interested on this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. As I mentioned already, you can find the link in the description. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.